I was asked to draw the Lewis structure for OF4. This would be oxygen tetrafluoride. I do not believe that this compound exists, and I'll show you why when we write the Lewis structure. So first off, oxygen, that's in group 16, sometimes called 6A. It has 6 valence electrons. Fluorine, group 17, sometimes called 7A, it has 7, and then we have 4 of those. So 6 plus 28, that's 34 total valence electrons for this OF4 Lewis structure. We'll put the least electronegative element in the center. That's going to be the oxygen, and then we'll put 4 fluorine atoms around it. So we have 34 valence electrons. We'll put 2 between atoms to form the chemical bond. So we've used 8 valence electrons out of our 34. Oxygen has an octet. Now we'll complete the octets around the fluorine atoms. So at this point, we've used 32 valence electrons. 8, 8, 8, and 8. 8 times 4, 32. So we have our 32 valence electrons. Oxygen, that has an octet. It has those 8 valence electrons, and each fluorine has an octet as well. Oxygen and fluorine, they can only have 8 valence electrons. They can't have an expanded octet like some of the elements in period 3 and beyond. So we've used 32 valence electrons, but remember we have 34. So where did those extra electrons go? Really, there's nowhere to put them. And that's why I say I don't think that this OF4 molecule would exist. Certainly not at any standard condition you'd find in a lab. So that's an attempt at drawing the Lewis structure for OF4. This is Dr. B. Thanks for watching.